Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, today I am going to unboxing and review on Myglamm Lid Liquid Lipsticks, which I got free after completing very simple, easy and basic survey. So many people have questions in their mind about the brand and quality of the lipsticks. So today I am going to show the lipsticks which I have received and going to give my honest opinion. So friends, please don't skip the video and watch till the end, because today in this video I am going to clear all your doubts. Friends, let me show you the lipstick. I have already used my Glam lid liquid lipstick. So this is I have ordered second time through the different mobile number and mail ID. So you can also use that trick. If you want more free lipsticks, you can use the mobile number and email ID of your family members or friends. So this is the trick for getting more free lipstick. You can use different mobile number every time while ordering the free lipstick. You just have to do one thing. Click on the link which I have provided in the description box. Just go through it, complete the basic survey. It is very easy. And in my previous video I have explained everything, step by step procedure about how to complete the survey and how to claim your free lipstick and how to order it. So I am also providing the video link of that video, so please go through it. And if you have any kind of query or doubt, please ask me in the comment box. I will solve your every query. So you can see the box packaging is very good, and you can see the lipstick is wrapped in a bubble bag, properly wrapped. And see the package. Actually original price is 395 rupees, but we are getting it for free. Delivery charges are 99 rupees. Friends, if you order anything from any online shop, you have to pay the delivery charges every time. So it's not a big issue, because we are already getting 395 rupees lipstick for own free, means for only 99 rupees. So currently it is available in 16 different shades. In this video I am going to show you all the shades with their name. Myglamm is a famous brand founded by Darpan Sangvi and co-founded by Priyanka Gill. And Myglamm brand mainly focuses on creating a quality product that are high efficacy, made with all natural and no chemical. So the Shraddha Kapoor is the investor and a brand ambassador of Myglamm. Also you will get the Manish Malhotra's all makeup and beauty products in Myglamm. So in box bill is there, and a lipstick which is properly bubble wrap. And I found one surprise thing here, which is the scratch card. I have got scratch card here and I am going to scratch it now, and I am also very excited because this is unexpected. So let's see what I get. I am going to scratch it now. Actually this is the surprise thing I get. So let's see what offer I get. I can't show you the code, but I will tell you what offer I have got. Hey, I got coupon code. Means I will get 50% off, flat 50% off on minimum purchase of rupees 199. So this reward I got. And unique code we can use only once, and it is valid till 31st December 2022. So I can use it at any time while purchasing new product. So this is the best reward I have got. And I got this product within the 5 days after placing order. So very quick service is there. I am going to read all the things on the pack first. It is written that made in India, very good thing. And it is written here, long lasting, smudge proof and transfer proof with intense color pay of a super matte finish and enriched with the nourishing moringa oil. This is a liquid lipstick that works harder than you do. So it's 3 ml pack and liquid lipstick it is. And all ingredients are written here outside the pack. You can see the actual original price and manufacturing and expiry date and batch number here. If the survey offer expires, then you have to pay the 399.95 rupees for the single lipstick. So buy it before offer expire, okay, because such offers we cannot get again and again. Actually, I have ordered different shade. This shade I have never used before, so want to try it. I will show you how it looks, and you can see from outside also how it is looking, but I will show you, and I will tell you the name of this shade. It's Pie Hunt. So I am going to show you all shade and their name. I love the Myglamm lipstick very much. I will show you. See, it dry immediately after applying, and it is not transferable, long lasting, look very beautiful, smudge proof, and it feels so soft and good. It is just pure intense color. It is very beautifully pigmented. Of course, if you eat something oily food, then it can come off, but not completely. Some shades leave on your lips, so otherwise it lasts for up to 10 hours, so it is long lasting obviously. And it is actually very comfortable, and because of moringa oil, it's smoothen dry and damaged lip also, so that is the benefit also. So these are the shades. Just click on the link I have given in the description box, and then complete the survey, very basic survey, and after that you will find this option. You can get all these shades in your mobile. You have to choose the shade which you want, and you can use any shade. You will get that same shade. You have to choose, and then you have to put your mobile number and name, all the things. So by using one mobile number and one email id, you will get one free lipstick. So you can use the many mobile number, different and mail id. I am going to do this. So I am going to take all the shares with by using my family's mobile number. So you will never find such a beautiful and quality lipstick for 99 rupees. So please try this. First buy single piece. If you like it, then you can go for the other, and there are lots of options in the app. Many products are getting for free, and there are many offers. If you are referring to your friends, you are getting the many product for free only. So you can watch my other video. I am giving the link below the description box. So friends, you have to just put your mobile number, name and mail id. Then you can make the online payment. The home delivery is not available there. You can make the online payment by any option, paytm or upi pin or net banking. Make online payment and complete your order. If you There is a one option, refer and earn. If you refer your friends, you get the many product for free. Just watch my previous video. I am giving the link in the description box. Please watch it, and refer to your maximum friend and get many free product, and also get the discount on the many products. So this is the very good app. Just go for it. Click the link which I have given in the description box, friends, and complete your survey fast. Friends, if you have not subscribed my channel before, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so that whenever I upload my new video, you will get the all information about the all ongoing offers. So friends, please keep watching my channel, support my channel. Bye bye friends, take care. Thanks for watching. See you soon.